So let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our GBP US dollar. So those of you that are new to this channel and you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So if you have to zoom it out right here, and you will see your trend on GBP USD is in an uptrend move. Is in currently downtrend move, which is dropping right here, right? So on your daily time frame, this is your low and this is your lower high. This is also your lower low and this is your lower high. This here comes your lower low and here is your lower high right here, right? So with this movement, we should be expecting GBP USD to drop again in the long run to form a new lower low. So this movement is for position traders that will want to hold in their position for the next 6 months. Then you now is the best time to actually start opening on your sell. So when you open on your sell in the next 6 months, by the time you realize it, market should have been around this low or possibly below it and even break below it. So a bearish move is what we'll be expecting on our GBP USD. So this is a multiple rejection that GBP USD has done. So it is dropping, right? We should be expecting to drop again. So that means we need to go to our 4-hour time frame. And as you can see on your 4-hour time frame, we are seeing a series of lower low and a lower high. We are seeing a series of lower low and a lower high. So this is clearly downtrend move. So if this is the low, this is our lower high. Here comes the lower low, and this is the lower high. Here comes the lower low, and this is the lower high, right? And now market is currently dropping to form a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move is still what we're expecting on our GBP USD. If there will be any changes to this movement as predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.